No matter how well you are prepared, there is a chance that you might not crack this examination. I'm not trying to scare you, but you have seen this happening to your friends and your seniors. और शायद आपके साथ भी हुआ हो कि प्रिपरेशन तो बहुत अच्छा किया बट एग्जाम में अच्छा नहीं कर पाए. My name is Skand Kumar. I teach you physics. I have given a lot of examination when I was a student. Passed in most, failed in couple of them, and here I am to tell you how to tackle this JEE mains like a pro. This is just an advice and this has helped thousands of students. Still, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका एग्जाम देने का तरीका बेहतर है, feel free to follow that. See, this JEE examination has two parts. Number one, preparing well for it. And I'm sure ये आप सब लोग बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कर रहे होंगे. Number two, the examination. I know a lot of students with great knowledge still not able to crack this examination. And I know students with moderate knowledge crack this examination with good percentile. So basically cracking this examination is an art and you have to learn it so that you can score well. जब भी हम इस एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे होते हैं, we have a score in our mind कि मैं इतना स्कोर करूंगा. This is my desired percentile, college and stream. And I know each one of you attempting this examination this year has that figure, that percentile in their mind, in accordance with their preparation. Everyone knows that JEE Mains is evaluated based on percentile. Hold on to this thought. I'll come to this part later. Seeing the trend, अगर आप मेंस में 110 से 120 मार्क्स स्कोर करते हो, that means you are eligible to write advance. But कॉलेज का मिलना अभी भी uncertain है. Leave the choice of your stream. Coming to basics, just solving 30 questions correctly out of 75, you are eligible to write advance. इसके बाद आपको अराउंड 3 महीने मिलेंगे. अगर आप बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते हो, सही स्ट्रेटजी फॉलो करते हो, then you might end up cracking JEE Advance and getting a seat in IIT. Right now, I am not interested in this strategy. I am interested in scoring 180 to 220 marks in this examination. Sounds difficult? It's not. Let me explain. For this, you have to choose those 55 questions out of 75 which you can solve correctly. And let me tell you that for most of the students जिन्होंने बहुत seriously preparation किया है, उनके लिए ये करना possible है. Because NTA makes every JEE mains paper जिसमें 50 से 55 क्वेश्चन ऐसे होते हैं जो easy to moderate होते हैं. Question which are called low hanging fruits. If you are smart enough to find those 55 questions out of 75, then you are definitely writing advance and getting a top NITs with choice of your stream. I call this a solid strategy. अब यहाँ से पेपर को अटेम्प्ट करने का पूरा तरीका बदल जाता है. ट्रेडिशनली जो आपका सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट होता है, सबसे पहले उसको अटेम्प्ट करते हो, फिर दूसरा और लास्ट में सबसे टफ वाले को. मैं भी पहले यही करता था. सबसे पहले केमिस्ट्री, देन फिजिक्स और जो भी टाइम बचा उसमें मैथ्स. इस तरीके में बहुत सारे मैथ्स क्वेश्चन को देखने का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता था जो एक्चुअली में बहुत ईजी होते थे. सो दिस इज द ब्लंडर दैट वी ऑल आर मेकिंग. From now on, whenever you are starting the exam, start selecting those 55 questions out of 75 from all the 3 subjects which you are solving in those 3 hours. If you are able to solve all the questions within time, then go and find another 5 questions from all the 3 subjects. इससे ये होगा कि हर एक सब्जेक्ट का easy question आप solve कर लोगे. And in percentile terms, you will be ahead of many students. So follow this strategy in upcoming all the examination. Also, before going to the examination, solve some mock based on this strategy. You will see the difference. Number 2, sometimes the NTA play with language. Even though the questions are very easy, the language makes it seem difficult. In this situation, be very careful while reading the questions. Break the question in small sentences. हो सके तो figure बनाओ. In this way, you will be able to tackle those questions. And lastly, take some risk. It's your exam. आपने इसके लिए पढ़ाई की है. If you are able to figure out 2 incorrect option, then एक smart guess ले सकते हो.